Alright, we're back in New Creek. New Creek that's a little deeper. You can see through because it's still daylight. And we're gonna go for a swim. And it keeps getting deeper and deeper. But look at the rocks. That looks so cool. Yeah, we're on the wrong side. This is a beautiful day. Another break. It's actually metal too. There's it's like part of a house. Awesome. And looks like we're back. This one has a house on top. I got attacked by a bee. Alright, we kind of cheated. Water's flowing into it pretty well. This is where we stop. It was a good day for a hike. Got to see some fish, got to see some blown up rocks. And that, we're all done. Over, out, going home, relax with the family, and pick up my medicine. It was needed. See you on the next one.